Well, let's step aside so we can bring in our guest who is standing by. National trial attorney Michael Jaafar here to help us break down what we're seeing in the case against Monica Cementilli. Michael, I have to get your reaction not only to this detective on the stand, but the witness that he is testifying about, Christopher Austin, who already testified. This jury heard him for 3 days. Do you think the state could have made their case without Christopher Austin?
You know what? I don't think so. I think they've already made a great case. That's a great question. I didn't think about it. I mean, perhaps because the state hates Monica Cementilli, and we went on for weeks and weeks and weeks with testimony of people who have basically put this conspiracy together. They've put it together where Monica Cementilli did a terrible, unsubtle job of covering her tracks. So maybe they could have, because they've made Monica Cementilli into the person where she laid chocolate morsels all the way to the bonfire, and then the investigators followed her. They caught her by the bonfire with graham crackers and marshmallows, and she told them, "I'm not making s'mores." And basically, they've showed that to the jury, right? That she was very unsubtle about this. So maybe they could have made their case, but they had to bring in Austin. Think about it. Austin is a big witness, and he's going to counteract Baker. And I think that this witness that they have on right now is important, because what this witness is doing is kind of lending credibility, kind of like, for lack of a better word, rehabilitating Austin's credibility to the jury. I think this witness was important, but could they have made their case without Austin? That's a tough one, but we'll never know the answer, right? Because they brought in Austin. And so this is the choice they've made. I think they've made a great case. I think with Austin, maybe even without Austin, they could have made a great case, but I think they've made a great case with Austin.
Yeah, they were ready to move forward without him.
Didn't even have him for 6 years.
Yeah, and they were ready to go to trial without him, but they have him. So let's get a break. We'll get you back into the courtroom for more of this.